Hi friends, this is Tanmoy Banerjee and today I'm going to use this. You can see recently I have purchased it from Flipkart. So these all are called skin color pencils. So I have got 12 pencils in this set and I'm going to utilize them to draw a human face. So let's see how does it come out. Stay tuned till the end. hi friends, I am done with the drawing. You can see I have drawn this picture. I'll give you a close look. So I have drawn this picture, and I have used these skin color pencils. Apart from that, I have used these also, uh, these color pencils from Cello. I have used these also. Apart from this, I have used this blender. So these three components I have used to draw this picture, a human face. Sorry, I have forgotten to inform you one more thing, one more very important thing. I have used soft charcoal which I have got from Apsara. I have used this soft charcoal, and I have blended the charcoal portion or the charcoal thing with my finger, and the result is here. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, then please do give me a thumbs up, big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button along with the bell button, because if you press the bell button, then you will keep on getting notification about my upcoming works. And please don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe, provided if you are an art lover, because on this YouTube channel I do post all my art contents, I do post all my art videos. Okay, so if you are an art lover, please do subscribe. And if you have any opinion about improvement and all, please feel free to let me know. I'm always open to your feedback. Okay, have a great weekend. Enjoy your day with your family, friends, and beloved ones. See you.